начинается.
Welcome back to World of Warships, everyone. Today we're going against the British battlecruiser Duncan. That thing is fast. That thing is crazy fast. We'll fire the first shot. He returns fire. I destroy one of his turrets. And damage is not equal. He does more damage because I'm facing the side. Should have waited because look, my eyes bringing his side up. Wow, I just bugged there. Yeah, my FPS just went down a lot. So just took half of his health and similar damage. Now my game is just really buggy for some reason. I don't know. He's got the faster reload time, and I know he has torps. I'm stupid ass for actually falling that quick. That freaking torp did 31,000 damage. Did you guys see that? That's unrealistic, dude. That's crazy amount of damage. Considering at this tier. Oh, he's gonna kill me. I am dead. Maybe. Don't sleep on me, bucko. Okay, look at that, bro. It was literally an even kill. That's a draw. That's a frickin' draw, dude. That's crazy.